Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to activate third tick in WhatsApp. So let's get started with the video. So basically the third tick means the blue tick that usually people get where after sending the message. So that blue tick means the person had radio message. So if you want to see if they have radio message or not, you have to enable it from the settings. First you need to click on the three dots that you will see at the upper right side and then go to the settings. Here you need to go to the privacy section and make sure that you have toggle on this read receipts over here. So if you basically turn it off, you won't send or receive read receipts, and the read receipts are always sent for the group chats. That basically means that if you enable it, you will be able to see the blue tick that the person have read your message or not on the WhatsApp. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.